Dear children, in this video we are going to see Unit 7 Atoms and Molecules Part 2. First we are going to see what is mole. Definition of the mole. 1 mole is the amount of any substance that contains the same number of particles as the number of atoms is exactly 12 grams of carbon 12. 12 grams of carbon 12 is equal to 1 mole carbon 12. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles of carbon 12 atoms. 6.02 into 10 power 23 is known as Avogadro's number. 1 mole of other materials might be molecules. Next we move to mole concept. The study of the collection of particles by using mole as a counting unit in order to express the mass and the volume of such unit particles in a bulk of matter is known as mole concept. The number of moles of a substance can be calculated by number 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of an element contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms and it is equal to its gram atomic mass. That is, 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen and its gram atomic mass is 16 g. Number 2 mole of molecules. 1 mole of matter contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules and it is equal to its gram molecular mass. That is, 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen and its gram molecular mass is 32 gram. Number 3 molar volume. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml at standard temperature and pressure. This volume is called as a molar volume. So next we move to calculation of a number of moles by different modes. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by atomic mass. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molecular mass. Number of moles is equal to number of atoms divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So number of moles is equal to number of moles divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Percent composition. The percentage composition of a compound represents the mass of each element present in 100 gram of the compound. Let us understand the percentage composition of oxygen and hydrogen by taking the example of H2O. It can be calculated using the formula mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of element in 1 mole of the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. If liquid is taken, mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100%. Next, Avogadro hypothesis. In 1811, Avogadro framed a hypothesis based on the relationship between the number of molecules present in equal volume of gases in different conditions. The Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. As such, gases like oxygen, nitrogen, methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, etc. all contain the equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. Applications of Avogadro's law. Number 1, it explains Gay-Lussac's law. Number 2, it helps in the determination of atomicity of gases. Number 3, molecular formula of gases can be derived using Avogadro's law. Number 4, it determines the relationship between molecular mass and vapor density. Number 5, it helps to determine gram molar volume of all gases, that is 22.4 liter at standard temperature and pressure.